fuel box is located under the passenger side. You have to take it out so you have enough space to open it. Firstly, you have to press this so you can pull out the unit. Same goes to another side. Press this. Then you have to dismantle all the socket. All of this. Or usually it's like this. You have to press this and pull and open. You have to press and open. Press and open. See the lock here. Press and open. Press and open. Lock on here. Press and open. All is the same except this one. I will show in next video. This one.
Yeah, this is the last one, and when installed this is also the first one. See the behind there? It's like that. You press and open it. Sorry, my one hand very hard to open. Just pull it out. Pull it out like that. See? Press and open it. Quite easy to open, just insufficient space.
So this is the cover. The filter is hide inside here. Hide inside here. Just press this thing and take it out like that. Top there is like that. Press and pull it up. Yeah, when you take it out, the wording is on top. So when you put in it, same direction. So this is the new one.